Greetings, droners. So we're here at Cooks Creek, Manitoba. We're by a very nice looking church and medieval ruins here, and we're going to do some droning around it. Collision course is going up first here on his with his Mavic Air. A calibration dance.
A bit dizzy.
Oh, look at the beauty go. So that concludes this droning experience in this beautiful day. So for all of you out there that aren't from Canada or are not in Canada, pot is legal here now. Please come help us. Someone rescue me.
I'm gonna go home and get stoned.
Yeah, some people could get stoned. I don't think it's good, but you know, whatever.
I don't smoke.
So from there on in, there could be a lot more smoke in future videos because of the pot that's around here, but around the area. But anyway, we'll see you in the next video.